It's fine, just go.
I'm
Go! What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. My name is Matt Leonetti, if you guys did not know, and welcome to my channel. Now today is a very special video because it is for a very special someone, my mother. She's in the next room. If you guys don't know who my mom is, here's some clips to figure out who she is.
Matthew. No! I can't hold it! Matthew!
Well, today is her birthday. I wanted to do something funny. So last night, I went to Rite Aid and I bought a poster board with... poster board. And I'm going to put on the back of her car, Honk, for my birthday. So right now, I have to be very stealthy, okay? And I have to go measure where I need to cut the board so I can put it on her car, because I have those backup cameras and everyone uses the backup cameras, so I can't be covering the backup camera because then she'll see something's blocking it. Gotta cut it in half and put it on each side. So I have to go measure that right now. So I'm gonna take y'all with me to go measure that. We have to be very quiet, very sneaky. So let's go do that. Wait, before we go do that, G7 Force Liquid Energy, link in my bio. First 5,000 people that buy something using my code, which you have to save, will get 30% off for life. So link in bio, go check it out. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, I'm outside. We good, guys? That was a close one, guys. Not really, but you gotta make it dramatic. Let's do this sign. And yeah. Alright guys, so my mom wants to go somewhere right now, so I'm gonna make the sign real quick and try to like sneakily. Doesn't sound right. Put it on her car. I'm trying to force her to drive, but she doesn't want to drive because she hates driving with me because I'm annoying. But let's just make it real quick.
Matthew,
What?
come on.
In a little bit.
What?
In a little bit.
I'm going now.
No.
Yes.
Mom, just give me 10 minutes. We have to finish this now. This is very hard because she's in the freaking living room, dude.
Matthew, I'm leaving without you.
Hold on, I'm just calling Joe. Alright, I don't think she saw me. Alright, I'm gonna have to put this on here without her knowing. So.
Stop, don't.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Yeah, don't film me.
Backup cam. Where are we going?
Around the corner to the liquor store.
Let's go to Ralph's.
They have the popsicles. I'm not going all the way to Ralph's.
Please. Can we get frozen yogurt, actually?
No, Matthew, no, I'm not going to get frozen yogurt. I want one of those popsicles.
Okay, can we get
It's my
both?
birthday.
Can we get
No.
both?
You can get something here.
Fine. No, just go to the 7-Eleven.
No, I
Mom,
like
go to the
this guy.
7-Eleven.
No, I like this guy right here. Bill, he's my friend.
I don't like this guy.
Why?
He's mean to me. It's her
Yes.
birthday today.
Get up. Matthew! You're so full of shit.
Look
What are you
around.
looking for? It's my birthday. Why do I have to drive around?
I'm not.
Start video. I think that's like...
Are they honking at you?
I don't know. It's so funny because there's been like this great car that...
Why does he keep honking at you?
I don't know. Yes, Yesterday there was a gray truck that was honking at me too.
I don't know why they were honking. What did you do?
Maybe they think they know me or something.
Maybe.
If I go anywhere with Buddy,
Why do people keep honking at you?
I don't know. Somebody else honking?
Yeah, they were honking behind us. See, you're obviously a bad driver.
Maybe there's something wrong on the back of my car.
They all keep honking.
Okay.
But it's fine, just go.
Why are you honking?
Go. Just go. Don't talk to people.
Is there something on my car? Oh my gosh. Did you put something on my car, Matthew?
Like what?
I don't know, like a sign or something?
That says what?
Like honk or something?
No. I can't.
Then why didn't you let me talk to that lady?
Because you're gonna start arguing with people.
I'm not arguing.
You are. Oh, Mom, you're crazy. I've seen you beat some girls up before. You squabble. You hard. You're like from the hood.
Yeah, let me
Mom,
see
what-
what your ass put on the back of my car.
I didn't put anything on the back of your car.
Matthew! Now I feel bad. I was yelling at that lady. Well, I wasn't yelling at her. I was just asking her, why are you honking? And she's like, what is she talking about? Matthew.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish it could have been longer, you know, me and her driving around more and more people honking without her knowing. Everyone drop happy birthday Tony in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, link in bio for G7 Force. Get it? First 5,000 people, 30% off for life. Don't be 5,001. Okay? Don't be that person. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content, guys. A lot more content coming. Turn on post notifications so you'll know when I post. See you guys in the next one. Peace.